Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get image ID in Roblox. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you need to go ahead and simply open a browser and then in the search bar search for roblox.com. Once you search for it, log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this create button. And once you tap onto it, this page is gonna open up. From here, go ahead and tap on store and then inside here, you'll then be able to find an option that says images or decals. Go ahead and simply select it and then you can go ahead and simply use the search bar to search for an image. Go ahead and simply tap on the decal or the image you want the ID from. Select it, and once you have selected it, you need to go ahead and simply look at your address bar in your browser. The number ID is the number you see right after asset slash and before the decal name. So if you would like to copy it, double click onto it and then simply go ahead and tap on copy. So if you want the ID for one of your own upload, head back to your dashboard, tap onto it. Inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on development items, tap on decals, then scroll below and then you need to go ahead and simply tap on this three dot, then tap on copy asset ID. And that's it. That's how you can get image ID or decal ID in Roblox. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.